What's up, guys? Brian here with SLG Concrete Coatings, bringing you a little something different today. We're actually gonna bring you along as we do a little bit of a demo prep and actual removal of some flooring, and kind of just show you what we got going on that side, because I don't know how many of you know that we do full-blown over concrete removal for VCT, tile, linoleum, all that good stuff. So we just want to kind of give you an idea of what that looks like and go from there. So come along as we go inside, see what the guys are doing, and make this happen. And that's the beast that's gonna do it with no blade. Well, yeah. So just to give you an idea of how tight the space can be sometimes, that's what we got to work with. But the guys have done this quite a few times before, so they know what to expect and what to do to make it work. So we're gonna stay out of their way, but let them get to it and see what happens. So. Tight squeeze. No pressure. No pressure at all. Yeah. You only got like 10 people watching you. Absolute beast. Just awesome. Love that machine. Just doing my part, you know? section as well, and it's something that we can't exactly get a big machine with, so as you can hear, just going at it. See how downstairs is going again? Demo is fun. Next section. Alright, well, to tell you the truth, there's no need to show you much more because it's all pretty self-explanatory. Machine rip up floor, floor go in dumpster. I mean, there's a lot more to it than that, but I'm just saying, for the sake of the video. So, If you or anyone you know is in the need of commercial or residential flooring removal, give us a call. Number's right there, or there, or there. It's there. You know where it's at. We got it right here too. So call us. We'll be glad to come out and estimate it for you. And yeah, hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching.